So read this question. In this question, the displacement as a function of time t is given, and at t is equal to 0, what is the given position of the particle is what? Say 1 centimeter, and its initial velocity mean at t is equal to 0, the velocity is pi centimeter per second. So also this is the displacement, it means x, it means v. You understand this? So what are its amplitude and initial phase? So initial phase and amplitude they are asking. So just put at t is equal to 0, put t is equal to 0 over here, and the x value is 1 centimeter is equal to a cos t 0 plus phi. You are getting this thing or not? So 1 is equal to a cos phi. This is the one equation. All right. Now from this x, can you find the velocity? Yes. How to get the velocity? Say dx upon dt. If you differentiate this a, what is the differentiation of cos? Say minus sine omega t plus phi, right? Into again differentiate inside. I think you understand this, right? If you don't understand, I can explain how this differentiation come. So if this is the velocity minus a omega sine omega t plus phi, so this is the velocity we have found as a function of time t. But what is the given condition is that initial velocity, that is at t is equal to 0. If you put t is equal to 0, the velocity is sine 0 plus phi, right? What is the velocity? Say pi is equal to minus a omega sine pi. Is it clear or not? Also angular frequency, right? Pi, angular frequency is given as the pi radian per second. Actually there is a misprint. If this is the angular frequency, then it is pi, right? So pi minus a into pi instead of omega, I will write this. So 1 is equal to minus a sine pi. This is the another equation. Is it clear or not? With the help of 1 and 2, we can find the remaining things, right? How to find? The 1 square plus 2 square is equal to 1 square plus 1 square is equal to a square cos square phi plus, if you make the square, the minus become positive, sin square phi, right? A square cos square phi plus sin square phi, it become 1 is equal to 2. So amplitude is root 2 centimeter. This is the first part, right, of the amplitude. And how to find the phi? If you want to find the phi is equal to 1 upon a is equal to 1 upon root 2 is equal to cos 45 cos pi by 4. So pi is equal to pi by 4. Is it clear or not? Right. Wait for 1 minute. This is the pi by 4. Can you check the answer? The root 2 is the amplitude and pi by 4 is the correct answer. Is it clear or not? Listen, one more thing. Although we can put the value of a over here, if a I put, right, actually the value of a is what? It may be plus minus. According to this equation, the a may be equal to plus minus root 2, but I am taking only the plus. If you take the plus over here, sine phi is equal to minus 1 upon a, minus a is what? Root 2. So according to this, right, the sine phi may be, it is pi plus pi by 4. So the initial phase may be phi by 4. So there may be the two options, pi by 4 plus and the initial phase phi pi by 4. What is that condition? You tell. Listen, one thing. It is initially at t is equal to 0, right? So can you check the answer, please? First, check the answer.
So they are given root 2 centimeter and 7 pi by 4.
7 pi by 4. Okay. Actually, 7 pi by 4. How it is 7 pi by 4? 2 pi minus pi by 4. Wait for 1 minute. The initial phase we have to find in a correct way. So for the initial phase, phi may be also 2 pi minus pi by 4, because if it is pi by 4, if it is 1 by root 2, so there may be the two value of phi. This is pi minus pi by 4 or cos 2 pi minus pi by 4. So this is cos 7 pi by 4, right? So the phi may be the 7 pi by 4. From this equation, wait for 1 minute, we have to read the question carefully. Position of the particle is 1 and initial velocity is 1 centimeter per second. Listen one thing, if I take the velocity positive, amplitude is what? Root 2. It means, listen, it is plus root 2, it is minus root 2, and position of 1 centimeter. So position of this is 1 centimeter. Listen one thing, right? And its initial velocity is how it is. The initial velocity is pi centimeter per second, right? This side. One more thing. Position. Actually, listen one thing. According to this question, the particle is present at this point, right? Particle is present at this point. From here 0 to here, right? At this point, the phase is pi by 4. If we start over here, and it is only the position. So if 7 pi by 4 is given, right, at t is equal to 0, at t is equal to 0, particle, what is the value of x? Listen, x is equal to a is what? Root 2 cos pi t plus, if I put, it is 7 pi by 4. Suppose this is the initial phase, right? It is root 2, right? Cos, if you put 0, 7 pi by 4, this is the, what is the value of cos pi by 7 pi by 4, you tell? 2 pi minus pi by 4. So it is 1 by root 2. Definitely it is 1 centimeter, right? Yes. Wait for 1 minute. So how to get the correct answer? Yes, please. Yes. By this thing we can find in that way. Also, I will give you the some reason. Yes. Yes, very good. So cos phi is equal to what? 1 by root 2 here, and sin phi is equal to minus 1 by root 2 here. So we have to find the value of phi in a such a way both are satisfied. So cos phi is positive and sin phi is negative. So in which quadrant it may occur? In fourth quadrant. Cos phi is what? Positive and sin phi is negative. So when we are trying to find the phi value may be pi by 4 and phi value may be 7 pi by 4. So we will choose what? 7 pi by 4. Is it clear or not, you tell? Getting? So 7 pi by 4 is the correct answer, and this is the correct way to find the value of phi. Is it clear or not? By choosing, because both should be satisfied. Are you getting or not? Since, listen one thing, if you put sin phi is equal to pi by 4, so what is the value of sin phi? Is equal to minus 1 upon a. And sorry, what is the value of a? The a value is minus sin phi, right? And it is sin pi by 4. If you take phi value pi by 4, it is minus root 2. Amplitude cannot be negative. So we have to choose the value of phi in a such a way. The both 1 and 2 equation are satisfied. Is it clear or not, you tell? Right. Also, we can try in another way. At t is equal to 0, right? At t is equal to 0, the value of x is what? Say 1, right? Yes. No, but this is the correct way to solve. Copy this. Can you tell me where is the position of the particle in this case? On the line, when it is performing oscillation or SHM, where will be the position? Right? Yes, at this point. Right? And it is moving in this way. The velocity is pi. It means it is given plus pi. So its direction may be this side or this side. But phi is 7 pi by 4 mean this is completed like this, right? So pi 7 3 pi by 2 plus x some extra phase. So the position is at this point, right? That is the thing. Now I think you can do, instead of this, the equation of displacement you have to write sin omega t plus phi. The same thing you have to do, right? In the second part, x is equal to b sin omega t, t is equal to 0, amplitude position is this, t is equal to 0, velocity is this. So if t is equal to 0, the displacement is 1, b sin 0 plus phi. So 1 is equal to b sin phi, right? And another thing, at velocity, say dx upon dt is equal to b omega cos omega t plus phi. At t is equal to 0, omega t plus phi, right? T is equal to 0. The velocity is cos 0 plus phi, and it is pi b omega. Omega value is pi cos phi. So 1 is equal to b cos phi, right? When you will take equation number 1 and 2, make square and add them, you will get 1 square plus 1 square is equal to b square sin square phi plus cos square phi. I think you are getting when you square and add them. So b value is what? Root 2. So amplitude is always positive. So therefore from here the sin phi is 1 by root 2 and cos phi is again 1 by root 2. So in which coordinate it is positive first, right? So sin pi by 4 and cos pi by 4. So the initial phase is pi by 4. You can check the answer. Copy this. So read this question. In this question, sometime the function, although I told you if x is equal to a sin omega t is written in this way, or simple is sin omega t, right? Or sin omega t plus phi you may write. It is a periodic function. And now you knows better that cos omega t is also the right. If instead of sine, there may be the cos. Also I told you if they suppose this is the a and b, right? This is the x1 and x2. If there are two simple harmonic motion in the same direction, right? And when they are superimposed, the resultant SHM will also be SHM. Right? Resultant motion will also be simple harmonic motion. Do you understand this or not, you tell? The b may be plus or minus. So in the first part, the x is given what? Sin omega t minus cos omega t. Is it clear or not, you tell? Right? So this is the one thing. It is SHM or not? Say yes, it is SHM. What is its amplitude, you tell? This is the 1, right? This is minus 1. So what is the root a square plus b square, you tell? It is equal to 1 square plus minus 1 square is equal to root 2. So if you multiply by root 2, right, sin omega t into 1 by root 2 plus minus cos omega t into 1 by root 2. Is it clear or not, you tell? So what will you write? Sin omega t cos pi by 4 you may write, minus cos omega t sin pi by 4 you may write. So what is this formula? Say sine omega t minus pi by 4. This is the x as a function of time t. So is it SHM or not? You always keep in mind the first option was SHM, right? And what is the time period? How to find the time period? Omega is equal to what? Say 2 pi by t. So its time period is 2 pi by omega. Is it clear or not? You tell. So when the two function, one is sine and cos, but the frequencies are same, they are added, the motion is SHM, and the time period may be given by in this way, and the amplitude may be given in this way, and the initial phase you can find like this, right? First copy this. Now the second part, the sin³ t. Okay, so the second part is x is equal to sin³ omega t, right? So listen one thing, although to prove this SHM, right, the best way to do is find its velocity, right? So differentiate this 3 sin² omega t into cos omega t into omega. I think you know how to differentiate this, right? This is the 3 omega sin² omega t into cos omega t. Now to find the acceleration, differentiate it again, right? Like this. Or listen one thing, although the first and second function you have to assume, right? This is the 3 omega, first function as it is, the second function minus omega sin omega t plus cos omega t, differentiation of second, 2 sin omega t into cos omega t into omega, right? So this is the differentiation. So this is the acceleration 3 omega, this is minus omega sin³ t, right, plus 2 omega, right, sin omega t into cos² omega t, right? You may write this is a is equal to 3 omega minus omega x plus 2 omega, right? You may write this sin omega t into cos² omega t. You tell me, if the acceleration was proportional to minus x, then it was SHM, right? But here the acceleration is not proportional to minus x, right? Some other term is also coming. So it is not SHM, right? This is the one way. Also in the previous question, x is equal to sin omega t minus cos omega t, right? In the previous question you can do in this way. Listen, dx upon dt is equal to omega cos omega t minus omega sin omega t. Again, if you differentiate to find the acceleration, this is the velocity, this is the acceleration, omega minus omega sin omega t, right? Again it differentiate, minus omega square cos omega t, right? If you take minus omega square common, it is sin omega t plus minus cos omega t. Are you getting? And this is equal to x. So this is the one another solution, right? Acceleration is equal to omega square minus x. That is why it is SHM. It is, therefore it is SHM. You may prove in this way also. And to prove this is the SHM, you have to find the velocity, then acceleration, and it is not proportional to minus x, therefore it is not SHM. This is the one way for this question, right? The other way, the sin³ theta, as I told you, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin³ theta. Is it clear or not? So from here, the sin³ theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus sin³ theta, right? 1 by 4. So if in place of theta, if you put omega t, sin³ omega t is equal to 3 by 4 sin omega t, and this is 1 upon 4 sine, right, 3 omega t. So this is the function. Is it clear or not, you tell? So function is x is equal to 1 by 4 3 sine omega t minus sine 3 omega t. Listen one thing. If the two sinusoidal or cosine function are added, but their frequency is different, so it is not SHM. It is not SHM, but it is periodic. It is periodic. You understand or not? Again, I am repeating. If for sine cube omega t especially, right, this identity is used and it is written in this way. All right. So now if you add the different frequency sinusoidal term, so this is not SHM, but it is periodic. Right. So it is not necessary a periodic function must be SHM. Are you getting or not? For example, the motion of Earth around the Sun is periodic, but it is not SHM. So it is periodic but not SHM. How to find the period? I will tell. Right? Copy this. Any doubt? You can ask. Please tell. Yes, I will. Okay. Listen one thing. Although this is the part of your mathematics, right? But still, we have to tell, right? Because we teach physics, so mathematics plus physics both we have to teach. Listen one thing. If in the periodic function, what is the periodic function? Right? In the mathematics, the periodic function is the function, right? Fx is equal to fx plus t. If the value of fx and fx plus t both are equal, the function is periodic, and this t is called the time period. There is a big theory in mathematics you will study. There, this trigonometric function will also come, especially. So if some trigonometric functions are like this, a sine omega t, right, plus b sine 3 omega t plus c sine 4 omega t, like this, right? So omega t, 3 omega t, 4 omega t, 5 omega t, instead of this, it may be cos. Are you getting or not? Sine, whether it is sine or cos, when the different frequencies terms are added, it is periodic function always, and it is not SHM. That is other thing. Are you getting or not? Right. So how to find the periodic? You have to remember. And in maths, you will see how it is periodic, right? There is a little theory we are not going to teach you, but you have to remember now. What you have to remember? If different frequency sinusoidal terms are added, whether it is sine or cosine, it is a periodic and not SHM, right? SHM will be only there when the two terms, right, of the same frequencies are added, right? Then it is periodic as well as SHM. Now it is periodic, not SHM. How to find the period? Listen, its period is what? Its period is 2 pi by t. This is, right, 3 into 2 pi by t. This is 4 into, right, 2 pi by t. Are you getting or not? You tell. So its period is t. Its period is t by 3. Its period is t by 4. Are you getting or not? So what is the period of this sinusoidal function t? Its period is t by 3. Its period is t by 4. Its period is t. It is t by 3. It is t by 4. The different terms will have the different period. So how to find the total period? So if you take the t common, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. Are you getting or not? So period is the combined period. Combined period is t multiplied by LCM of denominator, right? LCM. What is the LCM? 1 by 3, 1 by 4. Can you tell me what is the LCM? The LCM is 12, right? So multiply by 12. So its period is 12t. Are you getting or not? Its period is 12t. And what is the value of t over here in terms of omega? T is equal to 2 pi by omega. So this is 2 pi by omega into 12. So its time period of this system is 24 pi by omega. Is it clear or not? This is the first thing. Now I had given one illustration in this way. Now we have this thing, right? It is periodic, not SHM. What is this? Is t. This is 3 2 pi by t. So it is written as 2 pi by t and 2 pi by t by 3. What is the period of this function? Say t. What is the period of this function? Say t by 3. Frequency is 3 times. So the period is 1 by 3rd. So the combined period of this function, is t into LCM, right? If you take the t by 3, take the t common, 1 by 3. What is the LCM? Tell me, 1 and 1 by 3. So it is 3. So it is 2 pi by omega into 3. It is 6 pi by omega. Is it clear or not? You tell. Yes, Varsha. Getting? Listen. Together with this, the fourth part you can do. The fourth part is cos omega t, right? Cos 3 omega t, cos 5 omega t. You tell me, it is SHM or not? You tell first. Not SHM. Is it periodic or not? Yes. So what is its period? It may be 2 pi by t, 3 2 pi by t, 5 2 pi by t. So it may be written as 2 pi by t, 2 pi by t by 3, 2 pi by t by 5. Its period is t. Its period is t by 3 because triple frequency, 5 times frequency. So the t time period is t by 5. So what is the combined period? Combined period. How to find? It is t by 3, t by 5, right? And t into LCM, right? What is the LCM? Can you tell? 15. And what is the value of t? Because it is omega. So in terms of omega, you can write in this way. So 30 pi by omega is the combined period of this summation of different periodic function. All right. Periodic function and periodic function when are added, so it produces another periodic function, right? Copy this. What is the third part? A 3 cos. This is x is equal to the third part. This is 3 cos pi by 4 minus 2 omega t. So it may be written as cos 2 omega t minus pi by 4. Is it clear or not? Because cos minus theta is equal to what? Cos theta. Fine. Is it SHM or not? You tell. Please tell. Yes, it is SHM. And what is the time period? Listen, it is the omega dash is equal to 2 omega. What is the period? If it is SHM, what is the period? Say 2 pi by t dash is equal to 2 omega. It is omega dash or not? So omega dash 2 pi t. So what is the t dash? Say pi by omega. So it is the period. It is SHM. And what is the period? This pi by omega. Now, if you look the fifth part, right? X is equal to 1 plus omega t plus omega square t square. Is it SHM? Tell me. No. How would you prove? Find the velocity. 0 omega 2 omega square t. Find the acceleration. 0. Right. Plus 2 omega square. So acceleration is what? It is constant. So for SHM, the acceleration is must be proportional to minus x, but it is constant. So is it SHM? No. No, it is no SHM. Not SHM. Is it clear or not? Without finding velocity and acceleration, simply you can say because the acceleration is only and only the combination of sine and cosine term. of same frequency. If the different frequencies are there, then it is periodic, not SHM. And how to find the period? You know. Copy this. So read this question. In the first part, the x is equal to sine square omega t. This is a very common question. Although x is equal to sine cube omega t we have done, now we will see the sine square omega t. We will use the identity cos2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta, and the sine square theta may be written as 1 minus cos2 theta by 2, right? Sine square theta is equal to what? 1 upon 2, 1 minus cos 2 theta. Is it clear or not, you tell? So x is equal to may be written as 1 by 2, 1 plus cos 2 omega t, 1 minus cos 2 omega t. Tell me first thing. Is it clear or not, you tell? Right. So this is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cos 2 omega t. Is it clear? Are you getting or not? Right. Listen one thing. If this is the x, it is cos 2 omega t. Right. The thing is that it is a little given in most of the book, and the different solutions for the different in the different book you will get. In the LN also itself, there are given the two answer. In this solution it is given, it is SHM, and in some other book it is not SHM. What is the reason and what is the correct solution? I will try to explain. Listen, if you consider the x is equal to minus 1 by 2 cos 2 omega t. Are you getting or not? So you tell me it is SHM or not? Say it is SHM. No doubt it is SHM. The frequency will be double, right? So this is SHM about origin. About origin mean, right? Its maximum value is what? Say plus 1 by 2. Its minimum value is what? Say minus 1 by 2. Is it clear or not? So this is the particle. You tell me it is performing. If the equation of the motion is like this, it is minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Is it correct or not? T is equal to 0. At t is equal to 0, where is the particle? Here. And then it will move in this way, come in this way, like this. Right. So it start its motion from here. T is equal to 0, minus 1 by 2, and it is performing SHM. Are you getting or not? But what happened if you add 1 by 2 plus them? So the thing is shifted in this way, right? If it is x equal to 1 minus 1 plus minus cos 2 omega t, what does it mean? You tell me. What is its maximum value? What is the maximum value? It is minus 1, then minus and minus plus 1. Its maximum value is, right, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. It is 1. And what is the minimum value, you tell? Its minimum value 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into, right, it is plus 1. When it is plus 1, so it is 0. So it means it oscillate. If the equation of particle is this, it oscillate between 0 to 1, and it is the mean position 1 by 2. Is it clear or not? So now if the equation of motion is this, particle mean position is 1 by 2, and it is performing oscillation like this. Are you getting or not? In other way, you may write x minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2 cos 2 omega t, right? So you may write it is new x-axis. So the x-axis is shifted in this direction by 1 by 2. So it is mean position, right? Here, if it is only this, the x is equal to 0 is the mean position. Are you getting or not? So you tell me, if sin square omega t is given, then it is performing oscillation or SHM about x is equal to 1 by 2. So you can say this equation, this is performing SHM, this is performing SHM about x is equal to 1 by 2 as a mean position, right? But about origin, with respect to origin, you should say, with respect to origin, it is not performing SHM. It is not performing SHM. Is it clear or not? Why it is so? Because if you are sitting over here, it is moving in this way, then coming, then moving, right? So with respect to origin, it is displacement is always positive. Are you getting or not? So it is not performing SHM with respect to origin, but with respect to x is equal to 1 by 2 as a mean position, it is performing SHM. Is it clear or not, you tell? Right? Copy this. Instead of sin² omega t, they may give the cos² omega t. Right? The answer will be the same. Right? It may be the cos 2 theta is equal to what? 1 plus 2 cos² theta, if you remember. This is the half angle formula. Right? And the cos² theta may be written as 1. This is 1 minus, sorry, cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos² theta minus 1. So the cos² theta may be written as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So it may be written as 1 upon 2 cos 2 omega t. Right. So this is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 2 omega t. Right. So it start its motion at t is equal to 0. 1 plus 1 by 2. At t is equal to 0, the particle is over here and it perform SHM about mean position. Right. Like this. Like this. Right. So about x is equal to 1 by 2. It perform SHM, not about origin, right? So either they will give sin² omega t, they will give cos² omega t, right? And x is equal to sin³ omega t and x is equal to cos³ omega t, right? These are not SHM, rather they are periodic function, and you will use the identity I had explained in the previous question, right? You can copy if you want. Okay, so in the second part, what is the second part? You tell. X is equal to sin² omega t. You tell, is it SHM or not? It is SHM. And what is the time period if you want to find? You will write it is the omega dash is equal to 2 omega is equal to 2 pi dash, right? 2 omega, right? So t dash is what? Say pi omega. Although directly without doing any calculation or any derivation you have done, but if somebody asks how to prove that, say dx upon dt, 2 cos 2 omega t, differentiate once again, right? This is the double differentiation, minus 2 omega sin 2 omega t. So this is equal to minus 4 omega, wait for 1 minute, it is 2 omega minus, this is 4 omega square sin 2 omega t. Right, so this the acceleration is equal to 4 omega square. Fine. And what is sin 2 omega t? It is x. So acceleration is proportional to minus x. We're getting or not? And this is the omega dash square. If you compare with the omega dash square minus x. So omega dash square is what? 4 omega square. Omega dash is what? 2 omega. I told you the omega dash is equal to 2 omega. 2 pi by dash 2 omega, right? But without doing this thing, we can prove that. All right. In the same way, the third part, you tell x is equal to sin omega t plus 2 cos omega t. You tell, is it SHM or not, please? Varsha, is it SHM or not? Yes, it is SHM. Why? The two sinusoidal function or sine or cos are added, the frequency is same. It is SHM, right? It is SHM. But how to prove? If somebody asks, find the velocity dx upon dt, omega cos omega t plus minus omega sin omega t. Differentiate once again to find the acceleration. Omega minus omega sin omega t plus 2 minus omega into omega, this is cos omega t. Fine, this is minus omega square sin omega t minus 2 omega square cos omega t. Right, minus omega square sin omega t. Wait for 1 minute. Yes, this is 2 cos omega t. Getting, and it is what? It is x minus omega square into x. This is the acceleration. Acceleration is proportional to minus x. Right, so it may be proof it is SHM. Right, since acceleration is proportional to minus x, it is SHM. But you must remember now, if many sinusoidal terms of same frequency are added, then it represents the SHM. Also, we can find its amplitude. What is its amplitude? Is it root over 1 square plus 2 square? It is root 5. This is the amplitude. Right, multiply by root 5, right? So this is the amplitude. Are you getting or not? Listen, one more thing. Fourth part is sin omega t plus cos 2 omega t. You tell me, this is the omega, this is the double frequency. They represent SHM or not? No, not SHM, but periodic. Do you understand or not? And how to find the period? I told you, right? How to find the period? This is 2 pi by t. This is 2 pi by t. So it is 2 pi into t by 2. So it is 2 pi by t. So the period will be, combined period will be t and t by 2 ka LCM. It is t into 1 by 2 ka LCM. What is the LCM? Say 2. T into LCM. So t into 2. So what is the combined period? Is 2t. It is not SHM. And how to prove it is not SHM? Find the velocity, find the acceleration, and it will not be equal to minus x. Right? Copy.